Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are discussing I Have a Dream, which is a speech by Martin Luther King. We have seen the background of the speech, and we have seen that actually this speech is regarding the liberty and regarding the freedom of the black people in America. And so this speech, the title is I Have a Dream, and we are going to look at some of the difficult words which have been selected from the first section of the text of the speech. So these difficult words, they are going to be explained in English and also in Urdu. So dear students, in words ko dekheं and also try to learn these words and try to practice them in your daily conversation. So word number one is urgency. Urgency in English is need, and in Urdu it is ashad zarurat. Next word that is bankrupt. Bankrupt in English impoverished, and in Urdu gharib, lacking in money, so having no money. And the next word is refuse. Refuse means to say no. Now this in Urdu we say inkar karna. Next word is riches. Riches in English it means abundance, in Urdu it means kasrat. And next word is score. Score means period of 20 years, यानी कि 20 साल का अरसा. Next word is emancipation. Emancipation proclamation. Emancipation proclamation in English we can use the phrase independence declaration, and in Urdu we can say azadi ka ऐलान. Next word is beacon. Beacon means minaret. Minaret mean minar. Next word is Negro. Negro, actually this word stands for the black people, the black African people, who are living in some European countries. So let's say France, let's say England, and Germany and America. So Siah Fam log. Next word is seared. Seared means burnt or withered, and in Urdu we can say julsa hua. Next word is injustice. Injustice means lack of justice, यानी कि नाइंसाफ़ी. Next word is daybreak. Daybreak means daylight or dawn, and in Urdu it is ujala. So the next word is captivity. Captivity means slavery. Slavery means in Urdu gulamiyat. Next word is tragic. In English we have the synonym of this word sorrowful, and in Urdu it means afsosnak. Next word is manacles. Manacles in Urdu it means atkariyan, and its English synonym is handcuffs. Next word is desolate. Desolate means having no life, the place which is totally uninhabited, so lifeless place या फिर वीरान जगह. Next word is quicksand. Quicksand, the English synonym is pit, and the Urdu meaning is gade. Next word is cool off. Cool off means to relax, and in Urdu पुरसुकून होना. Next word is crippled. Its English synonym is chained, and in Urdu it means jakra hua. Next word is segregation. Segregation means separation, and in Urdu it means laidgi. Next word is discrimination. So discrimination means racial segregation. In Urdu we can say nasl ki bunyad par alaidgi. Next word is poverty. Poverty, English synonym is impoverishment, and in Urdu it means gurbat. Next word is prosperity. Its English synonym is richness, and in Urdu it means खुशहाली. Next word is languished. Languished in English it means withered or burnt, and in Urdu it means सड़ा हुआ. Next word is appalling. Appalling means miserable in English, and in Urdu it means badhal. Next word is architect. Architect in Urdu it means memar, and in English it means builders. Next word is promissory note. Promissory note means written promise, and in Urdu we can say wada bari tahrir. So next word is heir. Its English synonym is inheritor, and in Urdu we can say janisheen, waris. Next word is unalienable. Unalienable means not